Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video, we're opening up all 10 mystery boxes of Hot Wheels miniature monster trucks. Each box includes a power key, a truck, and 2 stickers. This is series 1 of the mystery monster trucks, and there are a total of 10 different trucks to collect. The power key is inserted in the back of the truck, and then all you have to do is squeeze to launch. As you can see, we have 10 boxes, and there are 10 different trucks, so I think it's time to free these monsters from their box. So here we have all 10 miniature mystery monster trucks. Each of these trucks came with their own unique sticker and a Monster Trucks logo sticker to go along with it. If you guys want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, make sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you guys in my next video.